It's Sunday, July 25th, about 10:15 in the morning, Carpinteria Bluffs. This is where they launch the hang gliders, parasails. Not much wind today, overcast. Anyway, I was just out for an easy bike ride on this thing, and I encountered this pilgrimage. I believe I saw him yesterday in Santa Barbara. Pretty good sized group. I don't know a thing about it, but they've been walking for a while, and I do believe it is some kind of a pilgrim. Maybe it's a Christian church or something. I do not know. But it's always fascinating, the things you run across and see in life. Well, maybe they're going to wait for the standby. Oh, there they go. I thought they were hurling themselves off the cliff, but no, they're just taking that trail down to the tracks and then maybe eventually down to the ocean. Looks like at least maybe a quarter-mile long procession. Afraid they're out of view here. Well, so that's what's going on in Carpinteria. Hello. Now they re-emerge. That's Rincon over there. Very calm day. Doesn't look like it'd be good for surfing. Perfect day for exercise, I say, outside with this overcast. Very cool. I still don't see the very end. Maybe that's the end of it. Okay. No, there's still more coming. So now we're talking maybe a half-mile procession. However many people fit in that distance. I'm sure you can't see with this tiny little cell phone camera. Sorry. This is the railroad overpass on the 101 in Carpinteria. Anyway, I'm just following this pilgrimage. I'll see you in Rincon. Okay, I'm at Rincon now, and it looks like maybe this is either a rest spot or the end of the long walk. The pilgrimage I saw in Rincon, Carpinteria today, was a continuation of one that began yesterday, an 18-mile trek by these Franciscan-sponsored Catholic group. They walked 18 miles yesterday, and today they wrapped up 9 miles on their way to Ventura. It'll be another 18-mile day for them. It was quite impressive. Very nice folks. Conversed for a while about various topics, military, piloting, and other things of no interest to anyone. But anyway, that's what it was. 18-mile trek today and 18 miles yesterday, retracing the steps of Father Serra Junipero. And so that's what it was. And I think this is the first year, and they may continue to do it in forthcoming years. Thank you.